Hi, today we're going to clean this fence. Recently I was texting with my brother and I sent him a video of a tree in my yard, and he decided to let me know that with a 50-50 solution of bleach and water, I can have my fence cleaned off pretty quickly.
A response that has absolutely nothing to do with the picture I sent him in the first place of the tree, but thanks!
So today we're going to try it out. Thanks, Dane. So first off, you're going to need this Chapin spray bottle. It's a pump spray bottle, so you got to put some work in it. Then we're going to need some Clorox bleach. This is what we're going to mix in with the water. Then this is what you're going to need for some pressure, because I don't have a pressure washer and they did not have the nozzle at the local Ace Hardware, so we're having to go with this. This is my first time using it, so we're both going to find out what it's like together. I have attached my hose head and I am all full of bleach and water, so we're ready to spray. So my pump sprayer is all filled up and we're ready to go. All I have to do is pump it. So I'm going to turn it to the left. Whoop, it's a lot of pressure released. All right, hold on. Make sure that's locked. And then there's the handle. There we go. Okay. And we're going to spray. It's a pretty strong solution. Maybe I should be wearing all white. I don't know. There's no breeze, so it's not blowing back. But wow, look at that color change already. Oh my god. Okay. We're gonna hit it with the blaster that I just bought. Check it out. Let's see how good this works pressure-wise. Here we go.
At this point, the algae had already started melting off the fence before I could even spray it.
Not that great, honestly. Not that great, but look at that. Alright. Alright. Well, let's try it out again right here. Okay? The other one, I feel like it did okay. Here we go. You can see the colors start changing on the algae build up on the final fence here. It starts turning more orange than green, which shows me that the solution is working. Just need to hit it on those more concentrated parts. Very bleachy. Somebody tell me if I'm putting like way too much here, because I honestly don't know. I just get excited and do things. Alright, one more pump here. Yeah. Oh yeah, look at that color change. See, it's almost turning like yellow. Maybe once it's yellow, that means it's ready to be sprayed off. Alright, and that's our second spray. This one looks pretty good, I will say. I feel like this one's going to spray off a lot easier. Yeah, it's all yellow. Looks like it's going to come off pretty easy. Now for our between 40 and 80 psi hose attachment nozzle for high speed pressure. Let's go. Here we are. Alrighty. Oh yeah. Oh, gotta stand back for this one. As we can see, the combination of the pump sprayer bottle with the half and half combination of bleach and water, along with the brass nozzle attachment for the hose, all those three things allowed me to clean the fence without touching it with my hands and manually scrubbing. That's a deal.